Welcome to the NASCAR Domino's Cup Series. We're at New Hampshire Motor Speedway. Alex Bowman and Eric Almirola are eliminated from the playoffs. So Alex Bowman is your pole sitter, and it'll be a few laps only, about 5 laps, I think. 5 laps. Here's your starting lineup. First row, we got Daniel Suarez, Ford Mustang I finally got, and Alex Bowman. Row 2, Jimmy Johnson, Kurt Busch. Row 3, Denny Hamlin, Ryan Blaney. Row 4, Joey Logano and Daniel Hemrick. Row 5, Kevin Harvick, Kyle Larson. Row 6, William Byron, Brian Preece. Row 7, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Michael McDowell. Row number 8, Clint Bowyer and David Reagan's Ford Mustang. Finally, I got him. Next row, we got Chase Elliott and Brad Keselowski. Final row, we got Eric Almirola, who did not get to the playoffs. There are 4 cars in the playoffs. 2 of them will be eliminated. And coming up is the championship finale. Here we go. Green flag in the air. Daniel Suarez gets the early single file. Jimmy Johnson right behind him. In trouble. Jimmy Johnson spins at turns 3 and 4. Let's go to instant replay. Oh, Jimmy Johnson has a tire rub, and he blows a left rear tire that sits in the wall. He hit the wall pretty hard. Here's in real time. He hit that wall pretty hard. Well, thank goodness there's a safer barrier, soft foam blocks on there. Green flag back in the air. Oh, Denny Hamlin hard in the wall. Let's go to instant replay. Kevin Harvick gives Denny Hamlin a bump. And retires came off the ground of Denny Hamlin. Hit the wall pretty hard. Thank goodness that safer barrier was there. And penalty issue is for Daniel Suarez for a restart violation. Green flag back in the air. Oh, Harvick gets loose. Oh, but got the end of the wall hard. Let's go to end replay. You see William Byron got him Joey Logano by a bump. And rear tires came off the ground. Luckily it settled back down. Luckily the aerodynamics settled back down. They have upgraded the aerodynamics. And upgraded the back of the cars. Make them much heavier. Green flag back in the air. Oh, big one at New Hampshire. William Byron's your winner. Let's go to instant replay. What happened? Here's the instant replay. The 4 car was out of gas. Look, it bunched up everybody. Alex Bowman comes off the ground and collects multiple cars. Alright, Preece in the wall hard. Pretty hard down there. And here's your winner. William Byron is your winner at New Hampshire. And here's your official results. Thank you for watching. Hope you support this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching the NASCAR Domino's Cup Series.